we have met His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya to raise issues which has affected the Garo society in past many decades. These issues has been introduced in the Garo Hills district many years ago by the Congress government, which was ruling the state and ruling the executive committee in the district council. One of the issues which has been raised in this meeting was about the introduction of Assam schedule in a 6th schedule area. The introduction of Assam schedule has affected the Garo society in a very big way, and the tribals have been minimized. The population has been, there is an imbalance in the population because of Assam schedule, which has actually facilitated the illegal migrants, some have even come from Bangladesh after the partition, to own a land, and the facilitation has been extended to such an extent that they could even contest in some of the reserved seats in the district council, and they are representing the ST areas of Garo Hills. So this is not fair and this is not constitutional. That is why this issues has been raised with the Honorable Governor to look into the matter. Other than that, we are also asking His Excellency to look into the issues related to municipality in the 6th schedule area. Municipality has been introduced in the 6th schedule area against the constitutional provision, Article 243 JC, which says municipality cannot exist in a scheduled area. Yet, in Garo Hills, we have municipalities ruling the 4 district headquarters. Other than that, the issues related to grievances of the employees of the district council for not being paid salaries for 41 months has also been discussed. The issues the employees are facing has also been discussed. And there are so many other issues which has been submitted to a memorandum. And we are very hopeful that the Honorable Governor will examine it and will look into this matter as early as possible. So this is why we have actually met the Governor and raised genuine issues impacting the Garo society in Garo Hills. Thank you.